Hello there, how are you doing? Welcome back to Slam Motion. So guys, in today's video, we are going to discuss Bob and Michelle Duggar are involved in another court case with their kids. Are you guys excited? Let's get started. So keep up with me till the end, comment right below this video, subscribe if you still haven't, and turn on the post notification for more videos. The Duggar family started out as a reality TV icon, but since their fall from grace, it seems like the Duggars have had one struggle after another. Most recently, a tell-all docuseries put the family in the spotlight once again, even featuring Jill Dillard, the estranged daughter of Bob and Michelle. Jill isn't the only Duggar to defy her parents, either, though Ginger Volo declined to participate in the Duggar documentary. She released her own tell-all memoir. Amid the multiple Duggar memoirs and drama between Jill and Bob over finances, there is one Duggar, albeit not technically a Duggar, who hasn't yet spoken out. Unfortunately for Michelle and Bob, that doesn't mean avoiding a court case over custody of their great nephew. Michelle and Bob are involved in court proceedings over their nephew Tyler. Over the years, Duggar fans got to know Tyler Hutchins, the Duggars' 20th child, after he was placed with his great aunt in 2016. Michelle is the aunt of Tyler's mother, Rachel, and at the time the Duggars took custody of Tyler, it was apparently because his grandmother, Michelle's mother, had just experienced a stroke. According to court paperwork, Rachel's mother gave approval for her son to live with Michelle and Bob, as she was not able to care for him at the time. Over the years, fans watched Tyler grow up with the rest of the younger Duggar kids. He's the second-to-last child in the lineup, between Jennifer and Jordan Grace. Fast forward to 2023, and Rachel was reportedly unemployed, had no car, and was on probation, as was revealed when her parents filed for custody of Tyler. It's unclear what spurred the decision, but court proceedings began in September 2023 after Tyler apparently moved in with his grandparents in June 2023. As was the case with the Duggars taking custody, Rachel reportedly had no objection to giving her parents custody of 15-year-old Tyler. From June 2023, according to court documents quoted by In Touch Weekly, Tyler was living with his grandmother and grandfather, Carolyn and John Hutchins. At that time, though the court had not yet approved the custody change, Michelle and Bob also wrote a statement approving the decision. However, it later seemed as if they might be regretting the decision, as the Sun confirmed that the Duggars had employed a lawyer. Michelle and Bob's law firm is involved in the custody proceedings. Michelle and Bob wrote a statement to the court agreeing to give custody of Tyler back to Michelle's sister Carolyn. But that doesn't mean they are no longer involved in the court case. According to The Sun, the Duggars might be working with the Hutchinses when it comes to the legal issues with Tyler's guardianship. The Sun confirmed that the Hutchinses recently hired an attorney from the same law firm that the Duggars use. Not only that, but their new attorney, Travis W. Story, also represented Josh Duggar. An interview between Ginger Volo and Mayim Bialik revealed some new insight about the Duggar family's personal lives. While the Duggars seem to use the Story law firm often, the law firm itself declined to comment when The Sun reached out. To date, it remains unclear what motive either family may have in hiring legal representation, as the custody transfer was, according to court paperwork, very smooth. However, since the Duggars were previously made Tyler's permanent legal guardians, there may be more court proceedings in the future for both families. The Duggars had to disclose Tyler's finances in court. Another interesting factor in the court proceedings over the Duggars' adopted child is the fact that they were apparently required to disclose his net worth. In The Sun's exploration of the court proceedings, the publication noted that Michelle and Bob filed an accounting for Tyler Hutchins. Court documents show that Tyler had a few $100s in the bank and also reportedly owned a vehicle worth $8,500. Further, the documentation on Tyler's estate confirmed that Bob and Michelle hadn't used the minor's property or obtained any benefit from the minor's estate during the reference period, and said funds have grown to the amount stated above as the net value of the estate. The filing appears to be required annually, as the Duggars previously noted that Tyler had a little less than $8,000 in his accounts as of 2022. So guys, this was all about today's video. Share as much as you can. That really motivates us to create more content for you guys. With this, we end our video. Hope you liked the video.